Come test drive the 2020 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.